What's up, YouTube? Welcome everybody back to the channel. I know it's been about 2 weeks since I posted, but my car's been actually sitting at the transmission shop. After I got it tuned, I sent it in to a guy named Tuned by Frost. He's out of Richmond, Virginia. So I went and got it tuned, and when I got the computer back, put it in, it wouldn't shift out of first. I ran the codes and it said that the shift solenoids were bad in it. So I said, okay. And I didn't want to do it right here in my driveway. So I decided to take it to the transmission shop. Well, they said that the solenoids are all good. They checked all the things and solenoids are good. So I was looking up online, went and picked the car up. I was looking online, and one of the things they said was to check the connector. Check the connectors. So I'm gonna check the connector, make sure ain't no pins bent or anything. So I need to take it off. It's dirty as I don't know what. So I need to take it off the trailer, and I'm gonna pull it up in here in my garage so I can take a look under it and see what we got going on. All right. Hey, welcome back. This is another day. Yesterday, my battery died in the camera, so I didn't get a chance to finish recording. But I was having transmission issues with the car, and I took it to the transmission shop. So it was sitting at the transmission shop for the last 2 weeks. And once the computer was saying that the solenoids were bad on the transmission. So what I did was I told them that, and when they ran it, they said, hey, the solenoids aren't bad, it's got to do something with the electrical. So what I did, I took it to another shop just to get another opinion. And when I took it to that shop, the guy said the same thing, but he said a lot of times the connector that's bad. So the connector right there, that's the connector. And he's saying that sometimes when you get your wire harness done, the wire harness would be one of the connectors may be off. One of the wires may be off, or something else could be wrong. So I came home, I did some research, pulled that plug off. It was upside down. The arrow was supposed to go on the top, not the bottom. So I flipped it, and when I flipped it around, everything worked perfect. So the car is back shifting. It's doing what it's supposed to do. It does have a transmission leak. I'm thinking it's the rear main seal. The transmission fluid was pouring out of it. The other day when I came home, I looked down and I had transmission fluid running all the way down my driveway. So what I did was I cleaned it up, and I'm about to take it to this transmission shop, and I'm gonna have them take a look at it. So I'm gonna load this thing back up, take it to the shop, and hopefully it's the rear main seal. And if it is the rear main seal, the good thing is I already have one. So I already have a rear main seal to replace it. So I'll be taking this to them tomorrow, and hopefully they can do my gears. It's been a hard time trying to find someone to do these gears around here. It's ridiculous. Everywhere that I go, they're like, nah, we don't do it. Nah, we don't do it. We don't know anybody that can do it. So I'm hoping the transmission shop that I go to tomorrow can do it, so I can get the 373s in. And then I'll start working on the interior. right now, you know, everything is still apart. So I haven't put the dash in because I just been trying to get the car actually running. So I haven't done anything with the dash since the last video about 2 weeks ago. So I am gonna be doing that soon. So I may work on that this weekend. I may work on this dash. Hopefully he only had my car for about 1 or 2 days, but I can go ahead and do the double DIN kit on that dash. That way I can install my double DIN, and then I gotta figure out what speakers and stuff I'm gonna go with, as well as the wheels. Like I said in the other video, I'm trying to go ahead and be done with this car so I can move on to my other projects. People keep asking me. I am gonna make a video on my Grand National. I may clean it up this weekend and get that done, get a video done on that. So, but I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna load this thing back up, and then once I get it back, I'll finish this video up. All right. What's up, y'all? We back at it again. So a lot has happened in the last few weeks. For the last 2 weeks, I took my car to the transmission shop. I got the transmission service. The transmission was leaking a little bit. Well, it was wet around the transmission pan, so I got them to go ahead and service the transmission. The drive shaft was a little bit too long, so I got the drive shaft shortened, and as well as I got my gears put in and a whole new posi unit. So I got all three things done in the last few weeks. As you can see, I got the TA cover. That's the TA cover on it. There's the drive shaft. I am having one more issue. I'm having an issue with a vibration while I'm driving. So I think the pinion angle is off. So I'll be taking it back to the shop, taking it to the drive shaft shop to get them to take a look at it, see if we can get the angles correct. Around 45 miles an hour where it starts vibrating. So I definitely gotta get that checked out. Other than that, there's a few odds and ends that I do have to finish, but other than that, it's been going pretty good. I still haven't put my dash in. As you can see, I did wire up my double DIN so I can at least get the fitment to make sure to see how the fitment. It's not in. I just got it sitting in right now. So but yeah, I got this wired in. So tomorrow I'm gonna take off the top dash, and I'm gonna go ahead and cut the lower dash, and I'm gonna spray the top dash as well as the lower dash after I get it all cut for my double DIN, and then I'll get this all squared away. And then I got to decide what I want to do next. I was thinking about go ahead and get the interior done, or go ahead and get my music put in, or go ahead and get some wheels. But then I started thinking that I want a T56. So I'm thinking about doing the conversion to the 6-speed manual in it to go with the LS2. So I don't know, comment down below, tell me your thoughts. But I think that's the route I'm going to take. So if I do that, then I'm gonna wait to get the interior, to do my interior. I'm gonna wait until I finish getting, I want to wait till I get all my work finished done before I start messing with the interior. But yeah, I enjoy driving the car, but I think I'll enjoy it a lot more if I have the T56 or if I have a 6-speed manual. I love driving a manual. I do have my Grand National, which is, you know, automatic. So, but I don't know. I'm still undecided, but I think that's the route I'm gonna take. So we'll see. But as I say, tomorrow I'm gonna start taking the dash apart, and as well as painting it. So I'll get it all prepped and ready for paint, and I'll have a few videos on that. As far as the cost, they charged me $150 to shorten my drive shaft. They charged me $120 to freshen up the transmission, which I could have did myself, but I don't like dealing with transmission fluid. I don't want it all in my driveway. And then the gears, the guy charged me $600, and I had everything. I got it from Quick Performance. I had the whole kit, but he charged me $600, and he was the only guy in the area. I had to drive like an hour and a half to take it, drop it off to him. But so that's all done. Now, like I said, I gotta get the pinion angle figured out, and then we'll go from there. And I know you may say, why are you gonna get the pinion angle figured out if you're gonna put the T56? If I do the T56, it may be a while, because I gotta find all the parts. I did see a kit on eBay where they had took it out of I think it was a 01 Camaro T56 that had the LS1. So I may grab something like that, grab a whole kit, or I may just go ahead and buy a brand new transmission. But it may be a month or two, so I do want to be able to drive it. Right now it is drivable. There's a couple little things that I got to get worked out, but for the most part it's running good. It's running good. All right, I'll have another video posted up probably in a couple days to go over my dash, taking out this dash and painting it, as well doing a few other things. All right, peace.